Hello, I'm Robert Todd, and I am teaching a course called Hands-on Artificial Intelligence. This is a course that is designed to introduce you to the amazing and practical, sometimes amazing, sometimes both, things that the latest artificial intelligence models can do to get you some hands-on practice with using them for something more than just asking them a question, and teach you how you can accomplish amazing things, but also understand how they work, what they're good at, what they're not good at, and open your mind to what's possible, because probably you don't really know what's possible, because I don't know what's possible, and I spend a lot of time trying to figure that out. So if you haven't, this is a great place to come. You'll see examples in class. We'll talk a little bit about how things work and why they work the way they work. And then you'll have assignments every week in this 6-week class, getting progressively more interesting as we go. And you'll get a chance to see for yourself, because that is the best way to learn, hands down, and you can't break them. They're easier than any software tool that you tried to ever learn before. They're basically self-teaching, and they're patient, but you really have to think a little bit about what they are and how they work and what you can do with them. And it's just not natural. So we're going to try and give you some exposure and some experience, and I think you'll find it to be fun and fascinating and educational and a good use of your time. Hope you come and join. If you've taken my class before, we're going to do more in this one, more hands-on, so you could take it again and it would be awesome. Thanks.